You see, you guys see how I had a tight stop off VWAP? I want you to look at that. Just got stopped out. Did you guys see why I had that? I don't like this in VWAP, and I need to let this simmer. I need to let this brew. Like I said, this is still respecting this as support. So again, I'm going to do it one more time. This time I went long. Last time I went short. So what I'm going to do is stop right here. And now if you look next to it, you see how it says the max I can lose is $32.50. Do you guys see that? It already tells me in the trade. So I click here, and then of course it forces me to do this. I confirm it. I kill this one. I move my stop up. That's a free trade. I'll put it right to previous bodies, and now we made money again. Make sense?
Clear, coach.
Yep. You got another trade setting up. Anybody tell me why I've got another trade set up? Quick.
Bounced off the 9?
No. See how
north of the 21?
Yeah, see how it's breaking above this 583.30? As soon as it breaks this 200, oh, there it goes. I got to stop talking and get in the trade. Boom, I'm in it. Late, but I'm in it. So my stop now will be just below that 21. It always forced me to do this stupid take profit. I always get rid of take profit. That's just dumb. Don't use the take profit, by the way. Save that garbage for the rooks. I can let this unlimited run for the day, right? I don't need to take profit. I'll take profit when I make $1 million on the trade. How's that sound? There it goes. Protecting my trade. Protecting my trade only because of VWAP. Now, if this bounces or if this breaks through VWAP, I'll move my stop just below VWAP because it's going to want to, right there. It will try to come down to retest. And if not, just made another amazing trade. Now I'm going to let it run forever. The question you were asking is, where and when do I move it? Here, I leave it alone. So as long as this stays above VWAP, I don't touch this the rest of the day until we're up in the double top. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
I don't want to play with it. Yeah, I would rather guaranteed $20 on my stop, allow myself to make $200 instead of me keep stopping it, making 40, 50, or 60. I am good with 20 or 200 on this trade. There it is. I protected my stop. Didn't I say it'll come down and try to retest this area again, right? I could have been a little bit, but that's only because, I didn't have a great entry, but I don't care. That is a green trade. Stays above here. I mean, actually, I can set up again because it's still good. I still like it. I put in my stop, forces me to put this in. I've got it. Same drill. There it goes. And now I'm making money again. Now I've re-protected my stop. So basically I re-enter because my stop was a little too tight and now we're making money. Now I leave it alone, let it go. Another
masterclass.
And again, my trade is protected. I don't care. Do whatever you want. Bye.